Hope you're doing awesome. Let's start by figuring out our finger numbers. Finger 1. That's your thumb, for both hands, no worries. Finger 2. Your pointer finger, right next to the thumb, you know it. Finger 3. The middle finger. Finger 4. The ring finger. Finger 5. And of course, the pinky. Now, let's talk about our buddies on Piano Street. Cassie the cat. She's chilling by the doghouse. Diego the dog, Emma the elephant, Felix the frog, Gina the giraffe, Alex the alligator. Alright, let's kick off our adventure. Can you spot Felix on the piano? He's just to the left of the 2 black keys. Can you play Felix? Nice job. Next up, let's go find Gina the giraffe. Let's see about Cassie the cat. Way to go! How about hunting down Emma the elephant? You're doing amazing. After that, we've got Bella the bear, who's hanging out in Grandma's backyard. And don't forget about Diego the dog. You're really crushing this. Last but definitely not least, let's track down Alex the alligator. Awesome job, you really know all our pals. Have a blast with this.